Sir, I had one more doubt, sir. Where can we get the tutorial lectures PDF?
It's already available in this this tab.
Supplementary content.
Supplementary content, yeah. It is in the supplementary content. Lectures, book, practice, FAQ.
So basically, like we solve week one question by watching video and then solving the assignment. But in a week two, we find difficulty in that because the lecture we saw and the question is asked is is out of the discussion, some question, and I need to watch live session. Then I understand that what they ask in questions. So.
Okay.
So is there, I need to watch first live session, then I watch these video in a
No.
week.
First watch lecture. The questions are not apart from the lecture, so it is not like that. The questions are not.
Sir, like I say, in a week one is very good and it's like a gold. But in a week two, the content and the question is much more different.
Most of the questions are based on our day-to-day life.
Yes, sir. Practical examples are given.
First one I got it, sir. Like B and C, I'm not getting it.
Even I have a doubt.
The questions are questions. Sorry. So yes, question. Okay.
Sir,
So
B and
raise
C,
your
I'm
hand
having
one by
doubts.
one. Okay. So raise the question one by one. I will take your questions. Like Pawan, Tej have already asked. So let's go with one by one. That would be good. So.
Yes, sir. Sir, for additional practice and for in mathematics, a question. So, which book I can recommend? You can recommend me any book for solving?
For solving, the NCERT is only it's given for the instruction, like course instruction. Any other book is suggested in there?
Sir, NCERT is like very low, sir. It's like there's no comparison at all. It's like you just study like ABCD is there and you come and perform like big sentences and write essays. It's like that, sir.
In NCERT, the questions are not based on the real life application, but here the most of the questions are based on the real life application.
Yes. The questions are based on real life application.
Sir, can you explain straight line fish concept, sir? I did not get it.
Okay. So yeah, I will, but let me take the Pawan, I think so. No.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so let me take that one by one. Then I will raise your hand one by one. I will take your doubt and we'll discuss.
Right.
How many participants? 122. Okay. So
like in this lecture, sir,
tutorial
I have B and C doubts, sir.
So the question is, a company provided two kinds of equipment A and B. So what's your doubt here?
Like B and C, sir, what is the yearly depreciation of two equipments, and if the company will buy back and equipment after it?
Okay. According to equation, these equation respectively, where even these are the okay. What are the yearly depreciation of two?
Yes.
It's asking. So what do you mean by yearly depreciation? Means it is one kind of
decreasing
slope. Asking for the slope one by one.
So
like
negative
that.
trend in the slope.
Like here, let me see that. So what is the yearly depreciation? In that term, I want to tell you.
Like depreciation means decreasing, sir. Like every
decreasing, yes.
So like that's why he found the slope, sir.
Okay, so x0 and we found that there. Okay. number of years, and y is the value of slope is this. So this is, see that, so yeah, that's the what yearly depreciation means, asking for the slope.
Okay, sir.
Asking for slope here is, how do you rate it? How do you will rate it? Like it is depreciating. So minus tells it is depreciating. Okay.
Yeah,
Sorry. And this rate, this is what is the slope? Slope is actually tells you in this slope it is depreciating.
depreciate, right.
Okay.
And C,
Okay.
sir.
And what is C there? If the company will buy back an equipment after its work life, and Vijay has a requirement of such equipment. Okay, for 12 year, which kind of equipment will cost him lesser? So after 12 year, you have to find each value after 12 year, like what is the value after 12 year, and compare it.
Okay, sir. Like for 3
Which
years,
one
he
will be
gave
lesser?
for product A, that is 3,000, no, 5,000, no, sir.
For 3 year,
Like the cost of, like, I mean, say the value of product A is 5,000, no, sir.
it is given. What is given there? Cost, yeah. CA is equal to 5,000 and CB is
Your screen
6,000.
is not visible.
It's not visible. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, now it is.
Okay. Thing is it now? Fine. Is it visible now?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
It's gone again.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. I think now it will be visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So CA cost is 5,000, CB is 6,000. Okay.
Yeah,
So what's your
yes.
now here doubt for this third option?
For
C?
20 years means, like you are including 3 years for 5,000 and remaining 9 years you are calculating, no, sir.
Ha.
But
So let's see here how in his term it's happening. So
yeah, yes, sir.
the cost of 5,000 1 year, as he is writing, 400, 300 in cost. We see he's just comparing. He's finding the cost 5,000 plus 200 plus 1,200.
So like, why is adding 1,200, sir? Like after decrease.
And this is okay. 3 years plus 3 years. So cost for 1 year is 6,000 for 2 year. See, first year 3 year is 5,000 plus 3 year is, okay, just 1 minute. Okay, let me. So how many equipment he is buying? I think 2 equipment. Okay, what is the question first? If the company will buy back an equipment after this work life, and Vijay has requirement of such equipment for 12 year, which kind of equipment will cost him lesser? Okay. Yeah. After calculating this, the cost for A is 5,000.
So like 400 rupees is depreciating like each year, no, sir. So it decreased like for 3 years, like that is 1,200 rupees, 3 into 4. Then he's adding like for the next 3 years because for, it is written 12 years now.
It returned 12 year.
Yeah, it is written like it is given in the question like it for 12 years he has to like maintain his product. So, but in the end he will like subtract 3,000. I didn't understand like, why did he do that. So,
Okay, just 1 minute. Okay. A 12 year with A 5,000 plus 3 into 1200. It is become 8,600 minus 300. And this is case B. Or this is 6,000 plus 10. Put 4,000. Okay, 10,000 6. Okay, I have to solve it now myself. Then it will be clear.
right.
Excuse me, sir.
Can
Sir,
someone help also?
sir, is this a doubt
Or
class
this is
or?
this is doubt class.
Oh,
So can someone help also here for this question?
we are not seen the week 3, not started the week 3.
This is week 2.
Okay. Okay. So,
Hello, sir.
Sir, I understand this question.
Can you explain him?
Like in this, like third question, it was given that company would buy the product after service period, and that was 3 years. In 3 years, the depreciation of cost is like 12,400 per year.
Your voice is echoing. So for me, it's echoing or for everyone?
It's echoing, sir.
It's everyone.
It's
Yearly, it
echoing.
was decreased by 400.
Now it's fine, I think. Okay.
Yes, company would buy the product in 3,800 after 3 years, and 1,200 was the cost.
Can you repeat again, please? Vivian?
Like, for example, if you buy a pen in ₹5 and sold it in ₹3, that my cost was ₹2. In that way, in this question, the cost of the name was given. The cost of him was 1,200 because he buy in 5,000 and the company after service period buy that again in 3,800.
Okay.
It was given there that, and his cost
in
was
that question.
1,200.
In that
Sir,
question.
I understood this concept.
In this question, he is after subtracting in the company. He is buying in 3,800, right?
Yes, sir.
The company. So that's why he is finally he is subtracting.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, let me go with next one. One have done, I think. So, Soham. No, Puspanjali.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's your doubt?
Sir, activity 2.4.
Activity 2.4. Which question number?
Last question, question number 4.
This third question.
No,
There
sir.
are three questions.
Sorry. 2.5. 2.5.
This one.
Yes, sir.
So what's your doubt here?
Sir, I have doubt in option second. Why is option second is correct?
So through which of the following point do lie on lie of slope 0 passes? So why you are thinking this will not pass through, like it have zero slope, it will not have zero slope?
Sir, if slope becomes 0, if line is parallel to x-axis, so slope becomes 0. But this
Yeah, that's the point. You can draw a parallel to x-axis, right? From passing through -0 to 0.5. Similarly for other also 0, 4 or rest all. Are you getting? No? Let me show you. Suppose the point is here. Whatever the 0.100 something, whatever the 0.4, I think 0.5. 0.5.
second
You
query.
can draw a line like this parallel to x-axis, right?
Okay.
Still it has zero slope.
The line parallel to x-axis will not pass through this point.
Will not pass through this point.
Minus 100 comma minus 0.5.
No, it's passing. No, you are drawing a line passing through this 100 comma 0.5, which is parallel to x-axis. So you are
How
able to
can I
draw a
say that
line.
this line is parallel and not intersecting?
See, you are see, if there is a point somewhere, you can draw infinitely many lines, right? From this
Yes.
point, from single point. So that's there is a there would be a line which is parallel to x-axis, which will be parallel to x-axis. You are able to draw such line, which have zero slope, right?
Yeah.
This can be also, this can be also, infinitely many points can be. There is no issue. But yeah, there is one point, there is one line which is parallel, which will be parallel to x-axis and pass through -100. So I made a minus here, this side. I am making a minus here. -100 would be this side.
Yes,
And
second
0
query.
point. And second quadrant will be here somewhere. Okay?
Yes.
Actually, sir, I had a doubt in the same question.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, the equation of line which is parallel to x-axis is y equal to 0. So all the
Why?
points, yeah. So all the points lying on the line parallel to x-axis should obey the following equation. So as the point -100 comma 0.5 not obey the equation, so how can it lie on the line parallel to x-axis, sir?
But there is not such thing written that it should obey the should obey y is equal to 0 equation. Through which of the point do line of slope 0 passes? That's all only. It is not saying anything like it should pass through or it should obey this equation. It is not there. Through which of the following points two lines of slope 0 passes? So there is possibility, no? It is not anything saying okay, this only follow this line.
So,
It can be here.
sir, the basic thing is there are points on the negative x-axis. So we are just considering the point of 0.5. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah. Only considering 0.5. No, it is like that. The question is like that. Through
So,
which of the following points do lie?
so sir, in that case, are we taking only the y-intercept? That means the point of 0.5, and we are just assuming that there could be a point of -100 comma 0.5 on that line. Is that what you're trying to say? Oh, so there is nothing to do with the line equations or something. Like we need to assume that.
There is nothing with the concept is here is if there is a point, there is infinitely many line can possible pass through from this point. So there is a line which will be the parallel to x-axis which pass through this point. And having If it is parallel to x-axis, it has zero slope. So that's the question here. Through which of the following point do line of slope 0 passes?
But sir, one thing is still there. Like I have a confusion. Like what about the origin? Because the answer is all of them actually. So what's the concept about the origin? The line passing through the origin?
Yeah, here is origin. This x-axis itself passing through origin.
Uh-huh.
So it has zero slope.
Okay. Got it, sir. So in that case, they are just taking the axis. Any other line.
In that case?
Okay. Got it. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
So
straight
got
line
it?
fit concept, sir.
Okay. So Pushpanjali got it the idea? Or still have doubt, or now I am not unable to clear, or like what's is it clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, got it.
Okay. Yeah, Rustam, it's your doubt for the straight line concept.
Straight line fit
Yes,
concept, sir.
I have doubt in tutorial 8.
Rustam.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
With two
Okay.
tutorial.
Yeah, let's go with one by one. Yeah, okay, Rustam. So week 2 tutorial question. Okay. Which tutorial?
Tutorial 8, sir.
Okay. What's doubt here? What's doubt here, Rustam? You are on mute, Rustam.
Yes, so question number 8, I don't understand.
This question, huh?
Yes.
In this question, Sanaya hears a sound in the night and come out to her balcony, which is at a height of 8 feet from the ground. She uses a torch light whose rays make an angle theta and alpha with the ground. There are two thieves with height. No, height is given of the thieves 5 feet, 5.3 feet, and 5 feet, standing at the distance. This is distance is given respectively from building. If tan theta is it and alpha is equal to tan alpha is equal to this, can Sanaya see any of the thieves? So suppose Sanaya is here, so that's the like you watch the video, right?
Sir.
So after watching, you still have doubt. So what's
Yes.
exactly doubt I'm asking?
So I have a doubt in this.
Sir.
So I actually did not understand the fact why is it considered that once there is a certain point in this somewhere the slope of two lines are calculated, and in one case it is being taken from where Sanaya is standing to one thief's head, and the other slope is taken till one the second thief's feet. So I cannot understand this. That is
Yes, sir. Yes.
The
I
condition
also
is like, so the condition is suppose a person is here and one person is here, and somebody wants to like this. Okay, somebody is like this and like this. So if somebody is torching here, this like light is here. So if both are wants to hide, so how it will be? If somebody's head, if it will come in light, so he can see, right? If somebody's feet is here, like the torch is like that. It is not. It is not like this. It is falling. It is in some angle, right? It is some at some angle. So if both wants to hide, so how it will be? Okay, how it in the picture itself it's properly showing. So here as here it is. Okay, if she is torching here. Okay, now if both wants to hide, so the light should be follow in this region, fall in this region. The head should not in fall in the light, and the feet should not fall in the light. Getting? No.
Yes,
Like
sir.
Yes, sir.
suppose if it is here and light is like this, Okay, so its feet can be seen in the light, can fall in the light. So that's why it is like that. If both wants to hide, so it should be like that. No, uh, there is no body part can see in the light. Okay, that's why it's like that.
Okay.
So I mean,
Okay,
if the light is falling like this, that is none of the thieves can hide from the light. Is that the point? So
if light is,
I mean, if light is falling in that pattern, it is showing one's head and the other's feet. I mean, so none of the thieves can hide from the light. Is that the idea behind this?
no, none of the question is hiding for the thief. No,
No. The question is
But body parts is hiding, sir.
hiding. So body parts are hiding. For the question is body parts should hide. So that's why it's when she torched, nose there is like head and feet is not seen in that torch. Okay, so Rustam, okay, still your doubt, right, remain? Is that, or is still you have the same doubt as here? Rustam, is that clear? Or this is the same doubt, or the whole video's doubt? How he is solving?
the procedure of solving the sum I couldn't understand.
Okay. So let me solve here. If this is the information, tan theta is equal to given and tan alpha is given. Okay. Can Sanaya see any of the thieves? The first question is, can Sanaya, sorry, Sanaya, I'm saying Sanya. Sanya, sorry for wrong pronunciation. Sanya, can Sanya see any of the thieves? Okay. The whole question. Okay, just 1 minute. Oh. See one by one questions. Okay. Sanya hears a sound. Okay. T-fit. So use torch light. Use raise theta and alpha with the ground. There are two tips without this. From the building. The question is like this. If Sanya is here and okay, away from one is 3.5 feet and second one is 50 feet. 7.5
Not
feet
3.5,
and another
sir.
one is
5.3, sir.
Sorry?
5.3, sir.
5.3. No, I'm saying the distance, standing
Okay.
distance of both ships.
Yeah.
So one is here and another one is at 50 feet. And one is of 5.3 and another is of, okay, respectively for 5.3 is, okay, and 5 feet is on
5
50.
feet. Yes.
Okay. So, okay. So this angle is given actually here. If say torched on the ground, the rays of angle is here is met. You can see here it is. It's calculative. How it's showing it in pictorially in this video itself, it's properly explained. Okay, can you rewatch it again, Rustam?
Yes, sir.
In pictorially, it's properly showing. It is a good way how it's finding. Yeah, for me, it's like back to this one and this one, this one. That's a okay. Can you rewatch it again and let me know?
Okay, sir.
Sir, I was having a very basic question.
Uh-huh.
How will determine that 3 points of a given triangle is anti-clockwise or clockwise direction?
Okay, so in this way, it's actually telling, Saris, if suppose a point is, if it is triangle A, B, C.
Yes.
So if you are counting a point like this, the first A is here, then the second vertex is here B, and third is C. So this direction is anti-clockwise. If you are counting, this one is the first, and the
No,
second one is your.
if the only 3 points is given, coordinates of the 3 points is given. How by saying just the coordinate, how will determine this?
So that's the I'm saying. Like if you are counting the first, if you are assuming this one the first vertex, so if you are and second vertex is this one.
Yes, sir.
Then it is like a
Sir,
anti-clockwise.
sir, you are drawing triangle by visually I can see, but if I am having only 3 coordinates of the points.
Okay, only 3 coordinates. If suppose it is given like this.
Yeah.
If it is like this.
Yes, sir.
You are saying.
Then how
So
will
in that case, okay.
How
So
will
assume like same. You can assume it here, making like this. Okay, this one is the A, B, and C. As you can make it on pictorially. Okay, and this way you are going, it is fine. Or if you are going to this way, so so going need to go with anti-clockwise means. If this is the first one, then next this one.
Sir, my
If you are
question
going
is
clockwise means this one, then it is coming this one. So in that case, it may be the equation of that formula may not work. But if you assume, you can know, you can make a picture, a small picture, and like that you can think and easily can go clockwise, anti-clockwise. Got it idea?
Sir, my question is something different. If I am having a point like -5, -2, second one is -7, -10, or
-7, -10, okay.
Yeah. Third one is 2, 3.
Okay.
So without drawing a triangle physically, how I decide that which point is in which direction?
See, if you are saying these points, you can for a small time you can easily create, right? Here it will be, and here it will be, and here it will be. You can easily draw, and then you can. This is the rough picture I am saying.
Yeah.
This is the rough picture. Now, if you are assuming this A, this is B, this is A, so work on the anti-clockwise like this. Okay, okay, sorry. This is A here. -5, -2, and B is -7, -10. Oh, I made a mistake here. 10 will be here somewhere. Oh, I'm making mistake. It will be in third quadrant.
Yeah,
I'm making a
that's what
mistake. Like
I
that, you
was
can
having
do. You
doubts.
can quickly think and make a rough picture and go with the anti-clockwise.
Or if points are very close, then it will be difficult to decide, isn't it? And this is the only way.
Yeah, still you can do, right? Small in making a small picture. Still you can think how much you can do. You can easily think, right? You can easily make picture. Rough picture you are
I
drawing,
was
not
also
exact
having
picture.
this way only, sir, but I was thinking that there must be some different way to find out.
No, so this is the way I think it will work.
Okay, sir.
This way is only. Yeah, if you follow an order, this order is only, it will work. Otherwise, this is the first one, this is the second, this is the third.
Okay, sir.
So can you
Thank you, sir.
explain straight line fit? I'm having class at 3, sir.
Okay, straight line fit.
Yes, sir. 3 o'clock I'm having English class, sir. I want to attend.
Okay, so
I
why the
understand
concept?
roughly, sir, but I did not get it practically.
So practically means, okay, suppose there
So
are
why,
some
why, why they are squaring and summing, and why the equation are getting one side and finding the value, what that value means if the equation get one side.
uh-huh. Okay. So yeah, okay. Suppose these are the points, and you want to draw a straight line, which will be, suppose this line you want to draw it. So and
Yes, sir.
another line is here. Okay. So
Yes,
if
sir.
you take the distance of each point, okay, you take a distance of each point for this
Yes,
line,
sir.
for this line.
Yes, sir.
So so if you take a distance, so what's saying, this line is not suitable, like with compared to this one. Like if you take these distances are much bigger than if you take a distance with these lines. Sorry, from this point to this line,
Yes, sir.
and sum it. So
So
that's the process. That's why,
we can only take roughly we can add, no, sir. Why we square them, sir?
So why you are making a square? Because there are some plus minus. If you take a distance, like it may
No, sir.
be
Distance is always positive, no,
Point
sir. Like
the point can be
distance is
both sides
always
of the line, sir.
sorry.
Point can be both sides of the line, any side of the line. So that is
Huh.
why we should square. Is
I
it
did
right,
not
sir?
get it, sir.
See, in the formula, what is in the formula, it is given y is equal to mx minus c. When you are doing this one, okay, so it
Yes, sir.
gives negative or positive value. So it will not, when you calculate, it will like, it will sometimes subtract and it will add. But once you do the square of it,
Sir,
for
for a
each,
sir, for a straight line, if we substitute x and y values, what that value means, sir? It's a distance from that point to the straight line, sir.
no. No. This is not telling distance. So now this is not telling distance here. So this is, I just given the idea what's happening here. Why the straight line fit? What do you mean by why this line is better than this line is better than this? The reason is it's falling like it is very close to all points, but this one is far away from the all points. And to measuring the sum square error, it is an idea to get that, okay, this is a method to get that this line is better than this one. Like better than means it will suitable or it will fit to for this point, better than this one. Okay.
Okay.
And squaring, the reason is squaring, when you are adding, so it will not like a subtract or add. Because of that, it's making square of each, calculate after the calculating this yi minus mxi minus c.
So what does it mean, sir? Y minus mi x minus c. I did not get it. See, y is equal to mx plus c. It is the equation of a straight line. If you substitute a point, what does it mean, sir?
If you substitute, sorry. So
If you
see,
substitute x comma y, like y, and you'll get some value like 10 or 5. What does it mean, sir? It means distance or what?
no. So it is a method. Sum square. This is a method. This is not calculating anything. Okay, what is the video? It's saying. Okay, see the in the video. Let's see that what's in video. Why how the sir formulas is saying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
Y is equal to x and y is equal to 2x are the equation of two lines. What does y minus x and y minus 2x mean, sir?
No. So in that equation he substituted. In that equation, sir have substituted the value. So same as here, you are substituting y is equal to mx. The equation is given y is equal to x is equal to and y is equal to 2x.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Those
For
are
this
repeated statements.
equation, so for this equation, if you calculate the sum square error, it will work. That's the here for this equation. Okay.
Y minus x doesn't mean nothing. It's like.
No. From this equation, you are calculating sum square error.
Okay, sir.
This is the formula from this equation. Because here is m is actually 1 and c is 0. Here is m is 2 and c is 0. So still it works this formula. And this is a method to, okay, this line is going to be the best fit rather than this one. And if there are many lines. Okay?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Hello, sir. I have one doubt. Can I please ask that?
Yes, sir.
Sir, there is one. My name is Ria. So the slope. So the equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c. So here value of m is the slope. Okay. So the slope will be positive over here. But if the
slope is
equation,
positive.
but if the equation of the slope is y is equal to mx minus c, then the slope will be negative or positive.
Y is equal to mx minus c.
Minus
so
c.
it's still the slope is this one, no?
M.
Still the slope is only this one, m.
So it will
And
be
the slope,
positive. We don't have any consideration with the minus or plus sign of the c.
if m is positive, then slope is still positive. M is positive if the information in the information of the question it is given that m is positive. Yeah, so how the c is or what is the sign here? Actually, sign is here. It's the x-intercept. It is intersecting to the y-axis here or below to the origin. According to that, the values will change here.
Okay, so matlab we don't have any consideration with the minus or plus sign of the constant c. We will only see the m, the sign of the m for positive and negative values.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
so thanks. So I have also one doubt of the practice question number 17. Please, can you explain the question?
Yeah, just 1 minute. Okay, I will go. I just I didn't go with the raised hand. Okay, so let's go with that. Please raise hand, then I will go. I missed that.
Okay.
Akshat, do you have?
Yes, sir. Sir,
so what's your?
Sir, in graded assignment 2, I have a 7th question. Sir,
Graded assignment.
Yes, sir. It's an integer type question, but my answer is coming in roots something.
So graded week 2 graded due date is not over, so we'll not discuss the question like solution or anything here.
It's an integer type question. Or my answer coming in roots under something.
So the question, then the thing is you are doing or you are doing the wrong calculation.
No, sir. I checked this 5 times.
Okay, so it's up to you because we will not going to discuss the solution of the question. Okay, because this is still due date is on 21. So it's up to you how you are calculating. If you are calculating right or wrong. So whatever you are calculating, if it is root over 2, so put your answer there as you are calculated.
So there is no key to type root in my keyboard. So
okay,
I just paste it.
No, not like that. You can make it in the point wise, right? 1 point something is root 2 value is 1 point something, right? So you can do that also.
Answer is root 2, so then I type 1.414.
So what it's up to you, right? I told you the idea. If you are getting root 2 answer, you can accordingly post your answer with that.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Let me see. Hi. Yes.
Sir, my question is, sir, M is positive all the time, sir, or not?
Which question? This is the same question here.
Yes, sir. M. Slope of a line. Sir, positive all the time or not, sir?
It is not necessary, no. If it is your line is like this, the slope will be negative.
Okay,
if
sir.
it is your line is like this, then slope will be positive.
Okay, sir.
Suppose your equation is minus 2x plus 3. So here the slope is minus 2. Right? So how the line will pass through like here?
Yes, sir.
It will be like this. Here suppose 3 intercept is here. This is 0, 3. Slope is negative means this side. And if it is like, if it is going away with this line, this y-axis, then it's get a negative slope. If it is like this to this side, then it have positive slope. Okay.
So if in this question it is y is equal to 2x minus 3, then the slope will be positive. That is 2.
No, slope is still negative, no? This is the slope. Y is equal to
No,
mx
if I
plus 3.
say it is y is equal to 2x minus 3.
Okay. Okay. So just compare with, see, sometimes if you want to get slope, just change that equation. Why this needed, this slope form, or maybe there are more 1-point form, 2-point form, slope or intercept form. Why this needed? You change your equation in that form and compare with that. So as here if you compare, so here m is actually 2 and c is actually 3.
No, I was saying if it is y is equal to 2x minus 3.
Okay, 2x minus 3, yeah, but still your slope is 2, so slope is
2,
positive.
okay. Okay, sir.
So that means
Very good.
uh, slope is positive and negative depends on equation.
It depend on equation, yes.
Okay, so
Lahari
not
wants to
exactly
ask something.
positive.
Sorry?
Not exactly positive, always positive.
It may be positive, it may be negative.
Yes, okay.
Lahari wants to ask something.
Sir, can I ask you one question? Of practice
So
question?
let's go. Yeah, you can ask, or you can raise your hand here. Lahari wants to ask something. Lahari is not here.
Out in week 1 graded assignment, sir.
Week 1 graded assignment. Okay.
Yes.
What's doubt there?
A 7th question.
What is that question? Okay, this one.
I didn't understand that question, sir. I went through the solution also, which they've given, but I didn't quite understand it.
Okay. In a zoo, there are 6 Bengal white tigers and 8. Let me open the solution itself here. Then it will be good if we go with the solution, whatever the written there. Okay. So in a zoo, there are 6 Bengal white tigers and 7 Bengal royal tiger. Out of these tigers, 5 are male and 10 are either Bengal royal tiger or males. Find out the number of female Bengal white tiger in the zoo. Okay. So assume in the solution, let Bengal white tiger is the set of Bengal white tiger BW, and BR is the set of royal tiger, and M is the set of male tiger. So number is given. Bengal royal tiger is 7, as here it is. Bengal royal tiger is 7. Male is given for male male tiger is 5 and Bengal Royal Tiger and M is 10, as here it is given. 10 are the either Bengal Royal Tiger or male. Okay, is that clear? Till here it is clear what the information is given, Lahari?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we know that number of this you know the formula, this one. This is the formula. Now if you see what we want, find the number of female Bengal tiger in the zoo. So let's find first the Bengal Royal Tiger. How many Bengal Royal Tigers are male? This information, this is the number. It's telling how many Bengal Royal Tigers are male. Once you find that, then the question is asking a female Bengal white tiger. Okay, so first find the Bengal Royal Tiger which are male. So if you substitute in the values as here, then you will get Bengal Royal Tiger is 2, number of Bengal male Royal Tiger is 2. The number of male Bengal white tigers are. Now it is given that out of these tiger, 5 are male or 10 are. So 5 male tiger it is given. Out of this, whatever the information is given, like in a zoo, there are 6 white Bengal, 6 Bengal white tiger and 7 Bengal Royal tiger. Out of these tigers, 5 are male it is given. 5 male it is given, and we have calculated Bengal Royal tiger which are male. So and here is 2 calculated. So 5 are male. If you subtract, you will get 3 Bengal out of so 3 Bengal. This is the male Bengal white tiger. No, just 1 minute. This is making, there is some wrongness in the number of male Bengal tiger is 2. The number of male. Okay, sorry. This is the Bengal white tigers. Okay, sorry, it is correct. So this is the number of male Bengal white tiger. You calculated two male Bengal Royal Tiger. Say 5 are male and 2 calculated your Bengal male tiger, Bengal Royal male Bengal Royal Tiger 2. So if you subtract 2, you will get, now white male tiger will remain, right?
Sir,
White.
the question has been corrected. Initially, it was 8 Bengal Royal Tigers.
In this.
In the graded assignment, it's 8 Bengal
Yes,
Royal
sir.
Tigers.
The question has been corrected.
No. So it is one kind of like, for me this question is for 7. For me this question is 7.
I had got 9.
No, sir. The data which has been given in the question, when it was in assignment, we solved it with the 7, the figure 7 for Royal Bengal Royal Tigers, and now we can see the question has been corrected.
Yes, sir.
Question has been corrected.
Data is
Sir,
different
while
for
solving
different
the
people.
graded assignment of the week 1,
So for
in the
different
question,
people, different.
I've got 9.
It
Like
was
for you
given
it is
7 and
8.
now it's corrected
The
to 8.
question was wrong when we attempted the assignment.
Yes, sir, exactly.
Data is different for different people. It is not
The
wrong.
questions are different for different people. For me, like whatever I am looking here, it is for 7. For you, maybe it is for 8. For different people, it may be 9. So it is not like that. This question is wrong. For different people, different numbers it is given. But if you substitute values as here, like here in place of 7, if you substitute 8, for as here, what is the method is substitute, you will get your answer.
Sir,
Clear?
Sir, it is a doubt class, so sir, can we leave for English class if we got our doubts?
If you clear your doubt, you can leave. It's up to you.
Okay, sir.
So Lahari,
Sir, can I ask a question?
Lahari, you got the idea?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir,
So
I
the
have got a doubt.
question is only the numbers are changed.
Sir, I have another doubt. Is root 6 by root 8 rational or irrational, sir?
Root 6 by root 8. Is that rational or irrational? So both are irrational, right?
Yes, sir.
Or indifferently, you can do the rationalization of it. So this is going to be 48 upon 8. So now this is irrational number. So also you can tell, or from here both are irrational. So you can say this number is irrational, or from here also.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So now can I ask a question? So please can we explain practice question number 17? I can't understand the question. What is the question is trying to say?
Which question number? Practice?
Practice week 2, practice question number 17.
Okay. That. Okay. So suppose there are two roads perpendicular to each other, which are both are at the same distance from the Priya's house. Okay, considered the as origin. Okay, the meeting point of two roads is on the x-axis and at the distance of 5 units from Priya's house. Okay, choose the correct possible equation representing the road. So what's your doubt here?
So I can't understand the meaning of this line. The meeting point of two roads is on the x-axis at a distance of 5 units. So please can you explain this with the help of diagram? I'm not able to understand this question.
If it is like this, no? Suppose here is the what is it? Priya's house. So suppose this is the origin. So maybe roads are like this, and both are intersecting at some distance, or maybe it is like this. And what is that? Okay. On the x-axis, both are meeting. So that means they are intersecting at here, which is this 5 unit is given. Is that clear now?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Nisi wants to ask something.
Activity 11, question number 2.
Activity 11.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
I have a question in question number 17 only, practice assignment.
Okay. Okay, just one. Let's finish this one, then we'll be moved to the.
Sure.
Which question number, Nisi?
Question number 2. Yes, sir.
Given lines, this one are perpendicular to each other. Find the value of k. So, if you want to calculate, so what's exactly you are unable to solve it, or what's the doubt here?
Yeah.
See, how do you know that two lines are perpendicular to each other? If slope is m1 of a line, suppose L1. Suppose L1 is a line which having slope m1, and L2 is a line which having slope m2. If this is happening, then these two lines are perpendicular to each other. This is the formula.
Okay, sir.
Now,
But I also calculated.
So for this case, what is going to be your slope? Can you tell me for this equation, for this line?
9/4.
This is going to be 18 by 8, right? Your equation is 18x minus 8y plus 30 something is equal to 0. So change this equation in the slope intercept form, and from there just calculate your slope. So this is going to be 8y is equal to 18x minus 30. So y is equal to 18 by 8x minus 30, I think, or plus whatever but this one give the slope which is going to be 18 by 8. This is 9 by 4. Now again and put in this equation. You can
Okay, sir. Okay, clear.
Hello. Can I ask the question, sir? Can I ask the question? Sir, can I ask the question?
Okay. Am I audible right now?
I audible. Hello, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. You can ask your doubt. Giritharan?
Yes, sir. Good evening. Good afternoon, sir.
Hi.
Sir, I need first basic clearance from this session, sir. Sir, before I approach this session, what are the things I have to done, sir? Suppose what I'm asking. Suppose my batchmates, some of guys started with English session for week 2. Some of guys started with computational thinking. Some of guys started with statics. Some of guys started with mathematics also. So before I have to attend this session, at least what have to be done, sir?
So before to at least watch the session. Sorry, actually watch the video lecture first and do some activity. If you
Okay,
are
sir.
asking for the particular session for maths or stat.
Okay.
Before coming to the session, at least watch the lectures and tutorials also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And one more thing, sir. Sir, in week 1, activity number 11. Hello, sir. Hello.
Which week 1 activity 11? Hello, am I audible?
Activity 11. Yes, sir. Audible, sir. Can you open that question, sir?
Okay.
I think there is a one question. Now answer is 88 minus 88.
Which question number?
I think question number 7 or 8, sir.
No, this is for. Are you remember that exact question? What is that question?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. I will check it and I will. Sir, that one is question number 2, sir.
Okay. Okay. This one. So what's doubt here?
Sir, the answer is I got the answer. The answer is minus 88. How do I type the minus 88, sir? I can't type it, sir. Minus 88.
Like you using mobile or which one you are typing?
I'm using tab, sir.
No, so see how it is means you can type here minus 88. Why? What is the issue?
Sir, if I touch that answer screen, then it automatically open this numerical number box. Where there is no specification of symbols, plus, minus, nothing.
Okay.
Are you got my point, sir?
I got my point, but no. So is that for everyone? It is happening? No, I don't think so. Like
minus 88. It is possible.
in tab also, like you can use without that numerical, like whatever that tab is given, you can use your own numerical like numerical tab you can use and can type there also. I don't think only used to be that whatever that
One
portal is
arrow button is also
giving.
there, sir. From there, he can up and down.
I'm not sure which browser
Okay.
he's using.
Using Google Chrome, sir.
So yeah, actually, it's surely the sign surely should be given at least plus minus. It will be there.
Yes,
There is nothing,
Point
sir.
is also
That in the numerical box, nothing, sir.
no. It's already given because how suppose somebody's answer is -1, how it will type there minus sign.
That is why I'm asking, sir. In that box, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 under dot. You can check it from your end
Is that
also,
for
sir.
everyone? It is. I don't think it is. It is. It will happen. It will happen. The sign will also there. Please check. It will be there different in different sign, like different means it is showing some different symbol. If you click there, then all signs will open, whatever the plus, minus, into, or whatever the sign is needed for that answering the particular question. Otherwise, you can, when you click on your, you can use the tab of your
Sir, you can see, sir, in our screen there is you are showing the second question now, sir.
For me, it's okay.
88,
I'm typing
yeah,
using with the laptop.
yeah. Can you delete that -88?
Okay.
And you
I
can touch
deleted
that,
it.
and you can touch that screen, sir, for answer screen.
Or this one.
Below that 80s, that dash, that green color. You are using laptop or what, sir?
Yeah, I'm using laptop.
That okay.
So answering can possible, right? You can answer.
You can go down. You can go down.
When I touch that green color line, only the number box is opening.
Okay, for me it's not opening. Yeah, actually the sign will surely given. Please check. Please check. Okay,
I checked,
sign will
sir.
surely given.
You can type 0 and go down.
Yes, correct. You press 0 and go down, or you can just press the down arrow. You go right up to -88.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Can you explain 20th question in practice assignment?
Yeah, just 1 minute. Okay, I think Giritharan, you can actually sign will surely given. Otherwise, you can your own numeric and also can answer.
Okay, sir.
It is not like that. It is you are facing the first time. No, it is already given, but you are missing something.
Okay, sir. And one more thing, sir. Sir, in that week 1, there is a functions and relations, no, sir. I can't get a clear idea about that one, sir. I got to only it is a acceleration I have. I'm not getting 100% points, sir. So what are the things I have to need to prepare more that about functions and relations?
Okay, so the first thing was the lecture of the function and relation. Okay, there are some example also, and already week 1 session have done, and it is on YouTube also. You can go to there and can watch, and also office hour are there. You can exactly watch. Ask your doubt. This is my doubt for what is function, what is this. There are more sessions. In sessions you can ask, like you can do yourself the practice, and if you are getting doubts, you can, there are more office hour, you can ask there one by one.
Okay,
There's more
sir.
sessions also.
Okay, sir.
Like
You can refer any book, sir? Can you refer any book?
Yeah, NCERT is enough.
NCERT 11th, 12th.
NCERT 11th, 12th is enough.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will bring and I will check, sir.
Sir.
Yeah,
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you, guys, for understanding.
Okay. So, yeah, Prasant is there. Is there the next one? Then after Jolis. Prasant? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, so next one is Jolis. Jolis, you can ask.
Yes, sir. So this is a general question. It's been around 25 years since I finished my college. So I see the some essential trigonometric or algebraic equations used in maths and statistics both. So is there any way you can provide list of all must-know equation for both subjects? Because it will be difficult for me to go back to college books and find out all those missing functions.
Okay, so means for the trigonometric.
Yeah, and algebraic.
Okay, so no, so how I will here I will give you can search on the Google and also get the list of the exact trigonometric formulas.
But I will get it, but I don't know what all used in the course because I'll be getting too many. So
No, so don't worry with the trigonometric function. Whatever it used, it will be surely given in the information, like in the question information, like information of the question. Like sine is uses, tan is uses. So it will be given that okay, this is going to be, or if it is using the question is using the formula sine theta sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. In the hint, it will be given. If this thing is trigonometrics is not taught in the lecture, then as a hint in the question it will be given. So don't worry with that.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you.
And the list star you can search of the trigonometric and the all formulas like this, or sine 2 theta is equal to 2 cos theta or 2 sine theta into cos theta, or what are the formulas are 90 plus this one 9 sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta, like that. Whatever the things are formulas are given, you can get it is already available.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I'll go through that. Yeah.
Okay. Javits. Sorry for wrong pronunciation.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Tejas. I would like to ask the question about the triangle formula. Like, there was this question where we had to find the area of triangle using the midpoints, like the vertices of the triangle is given, and we had to find the midpoints and then find the area. I was able to solve that pretty easy stuff. But my question is that is the area of the triangle formed by the midpoints always equal to the 1/4 of area of the whole triangle?
No, not necessary. Not necessary. In the it will be if all sides will be equal, then it is, but it is not always.
Okay, thank you, sir.
It is not always.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I think the next one is Aman. Sorry, Aman. Yeah, Aman Kumar. Yeah, hi, Aman.
Sir, I just wanted to ask that natural number contains 0.
For this course, for this maths one, at least natural is in the 0 is in natural number.
Okay,
for
sir.
maths one at least.
I had doubt in that thing. I just solved all the way because
It may be in stat 1, it may not. In stat 1, it may not. But for maths 1, where you are, please concern with the 0 is a natural. 0 is a natural number.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bharti? Bharti want to ask something.
Yes, sir. I'm Bharati from Kuwait.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm non-science basic.
From Kuwait?
Yeah, Kuwait.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
basically I'm a commerce student, but I'm happy with this course. If we want to from basic max means from which standard shall I practice, sir?
NCRT. Follow the NCRT will enough.
Okay.
And lecture, see, video lectures is also enough slides. And see,
Oh,
there are
yeah,
many
it's
things.
everything is
FAQs.
clear. Every videos is very clear, but if I want to means basic means from which standard, sir?
So NCRT will be enough then. For basics, NCRT.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Do we have like online NCRT books or something like that, or just Google?
NCRT, sorry,
We can download the
Google,
books.
sorry. Download, yeah, you can download. NCRT is available on the Google. You can download. That's right.
Thank you.
Okay. Rustam is.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Which question?
Week one graded assignment.
Which question number?
Question number
Second.
Question number 10. Question number 10.
Okay. Okay, this one. Oh, this is 6. This one is 10. Okay. In this relation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what's the doubt here, Rustam?
So the question I don't understand, sir.
Okay, so it is actually, see, if you collect all point in a set, and the question is, you are defining a relation on that set. 2 points are related if both are polluted by fertilizer and pharmaceutical product. If two, see, if this pond and this pond should also polluted with the this what is that pharmaceutical products and fertilizer, and this one also, then we will say these two are related. The relation is defined on the, if you collect all ponds in a set and define if you collect all pond in a set, this is S set, and define a relation on that set, which is in the notation form, it is like this. Okay, and if two ponds are said to be related, if these two happening, if it is both are, see, this one is, and this one should also, this pond and this pond both should be polluted by fertilizers and pharmaceutical products. Now, so what's your doubt now? Like, if see, if this relation is reflexive, is that?
Yes, sir.
So from this set, so if you want to collect, see, if you take a pond from here, from this set, okay, let's say this set, this pond is A. So it is not necessary that this pond is polluted with the pharmaceutical and fertilizer. It can be with the different also, right? So, but when you are defining a relation, if you are saying reflexive, then each element, whatever the element are here, it should, if you take like AA should be here, BB, if you, how many ponds are there, CC, DD, all should be available. Then you will say, if any one of is missing, then you will say this relation is not reflexive.
Not reflexive, yes, sir.
So, but it is not necessary, because if you are choosing a pond, it can be polluted by different, not there is another item which is pharmaceutical pesticide. It may be polluted by pesticide only. So in that case, A is not in that relation.
What is the meaning of pesticide?
Pesticide means this is in Hindi, it is used to be for the agricultural purpose. Pesticide is
the crops from insects
crops
and all bugs. Kind of a medicine.
This is one kind of medicine of crops. Okay, got the idea, right? Is it clear or still remain, Rustam?
Yes.
And this will.
YouTube. Okay. The truth was. But why are we using symmetric? It was a long.
So this relation is. Let me mute it. This relation is symmetric. So see, if you are collected this now you are collected. R is the collection of A, B. Some pairs are there. Okay. This is in this one pair is says this is the collection of 2 ponds. Both are polluted by pharmaceutical and fertilizers. Now suppose let's say this, I am taking a pair of it, AB. Okay, AB from R. So this says A ponds A is polluted by both pharmaceutical and this what is that pharmaceutical and and fertilizers. Okay, both are like A is also fertilizer and pharmaceutical products. A is polluted by fertilizers and pharmaceutical product, and B is also with this fertilizer and pharmaceutical product. Now, if AB is there, you can say B is also in that. Why? Because still it says that B is found, which is B is also still, like, you can interchange the pair, interchange the position. Still, it doesn't affect the. It still says B is polluted by both, and A is also polluted by both pharmaceutical and. So there is not effecting. There is no effect on happening if you are changing the pair, changing the position, changing the order. Sorry,
Yes.
there is no effect. That means AB is there, then BA is also there in R. So that's why it's happening. R is symmetric.
Got it, sir.
Okay. And the same thing as for the transitive also. If AB is there and BC is there, this says B is polluted by both. This says B is polluted by both. A is polluted by both. C is also polluted by both. So that means it is happening. AC pair can also will be in R, because A is also polluted by here. A is also polluted by both, and C is also polluted by both.
Right.
That's why AC can pair. Got the idea, right?
Yes.
Okay. Sanskriti want to ask something.
Yes.
Your voice is breaking.
Hello.
Hello. Your voice is breaking for me, I think.
Hello. Now it's okay.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi, Sanskriti.
Yeah. Actually, I
What's
have
the
a
doubt?
doubt.
One more doubt, sir. One more doubt, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, let's finish now Sanskriti, then back to Rustam, right? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Actually, I have a conceptual doubt.
Okay.
So my doubt is, when we take intersection between paired sets, then we consider both values of x and y in the pair of set A and set. I mean, we
No,
take
no,
intersection.
I didn't listen properly. Can you repeat again, please? Could you please?
When we take intersection between paired sets,
Huh.
then we consider both x and y in that pair of set A and set B. I mean, we take intersection only when set A and set B
No,
same
your
values
voice
of
is in
x and
between
y
is
in
breaking,
that
or
pair, right?
sorry, I didn't listen clearly. Your voice is breaking and sometimes low pitch and high. Okay, could you please repeat?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I'm asking about when we take intersection between paired sets, then we
Sorry, for me, your voice is breaking, or
consider
for all
both
of
values
you?
x and y in that pair
For
of
everyone.
set A and we take intersection.
Your voice is breaking. I didn't listening properly and clearly. But your
Maybe
voice
you
is
can
breaking
type in
for
the
all
chat.
of you.
I can type.
Or after some time you can ask, maybe when the connection is proper. Okay, I will back to your question. Okay. Rustam, what's your doubt?
Graded assignment. Question number 7.
Which?
Graded
Graded
one, sir.
assignment. Week 1.
Yes, sir.
Your voice is breaking too.
Okay. This one. I just now discuss this. My voice is also. Is that?
Yeah, there seems to be some
Hello,
connection
am I
problem.
audible?
Yeah, you're audible now.
Am I audible right
Yes,
now?
sir.
Maybe.
Yes, audible.
Okay, so Rustam, what's your doubt here for this question?
I can't understand Bengal Tagal.
See, this solution is written very clearly. number. So see.
You are sharing your screen. We are not able to see your screen. It just stuck there.
Oh, just 1 minute. Now my screen is visual. To all of you, I am scrolling up and down like this.
Yes, sir.
No. Maybe you can stop
Okay.
share and start.
Is it now? Is it clear? I started it again.
No, it is just.
Is it now clear? Stopped. Okay, just 1 minute.
Can't see clearly. There's just
Okay,
a
okay, just
blank
1
white
minute.
paper.
Oh.
You can see your cursor movement. I can see the question number 7.
Okay. Just 1 minute. Stop sharing. I stopped.
Yeah, now it got stopped.
Now it is fine?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so what's exact doubt? You are not understanding the question, the whole question. Okay. Oh, okay. Just see. In a zoo, 6 Bengal, white tiger, and in a zoo there are 2 types of tiger: white tiger and royal tiger. Both are Bengal. White tiger and royal tiger. Out of these tigers, 5 are male, or 10 are either royal tiger or male. Okay. 5 are, it is given that 5 is exactly male tiger, and 10 are either royal Bengal tiger or male. So in that 10 it can be white male tiger, as here it is calculated. In 10 it can be white male, or in 5 also white male tiger. Okay, find out the number of female white tiger in that zoo. So here it is clearly mentioned that, okay, BW is going to be white tiger, Bengal white tiger, BR is Bengal royal tiger, M is the set of male tiger. And as information is given, you can Bengal white tiger is Bengal royal tiger, the number of Bengal royal tiger is given 7, male is given here 5, and okay, and 6 also is given, Bengal white tiger. Okay, so M is the set of male tiger, assuming to be M. Here is M is the set of male tiger. Use this formula. You know the formula. So this tells you the Bengal royal tiger. You are calculating the number. This tells you the Bengal royal tiger, which are male. So, and when you substituted the values, you got the number of Bengal royal tiger, which are male. As here, the number of male Bengal royal tiger. Now need to find the male Bengal white tiger. Then you will find the Bengal female white tiger. So first find the Bengal male tigers. How you will calculate? Once you calculated the male Bengal royal tiger, which is 2, and here is the information is given 5 are male. 5 are male. So 5 minus 2 gives, see, you calculated the male Bengal royal tiger. So if you subtract from this 5, then it will give the number of male white Bengal royal tiger. Are you getting, Rustam? No? Yes?
Mm-hmm.
No? Yes? He is not saying anything.
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah, it's actually properly it is written. It is very in the simple way how what is happening here. Maybe okay, maybe numbers different for you. And once you find the male white tiger, Bengal is let's left it. So male white tiger. So out of 6, or here's the next one is Out of 6 Bengal white tiger, 3 are male. Here is. You have given already. 6 Bengal white tiger is there. And you calculated here male tiger, male white tiger. So how many will remain? 6 minus 3. It will be the female white tiger. That's the process.
Yeah.
I don't know. Rustam is not
Excuse me,
responding.
sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you explain 20th question in practice assignment?
Okay. Is that? Am I audible? My internet is running too fast.
Yeah. You're audible.
Okay. Okay. This one. This one, right?
Yeah, that one.
Okay. What's doubt here?
Can you explain it like from the beginning?
Oh, this question, exactly. Okay. A woman is reported missing in locality. The police department find a human femur bone during their investigation. They invested the height of a female adult using the relation. This relation is given where f is the length of femur bone. The length of the femur found to be 35 centimeter, and missing woman is known to be 130 centimeter tall. The particular locality, the maximum. Okay. So see, there are two cases in this question. See, police is investigating and he found the length of he found 35 centimeter length of the femur bone, whatever the police got. 35 centimeter femur bone, length of the femur bone is 35 centimeter, but woman's who is missing having the height 130 centimeter tall. This is the information is from the home and from the police station. This information, the particular locality, in that region or in that village, the possibility of height of a female is 195 centimeter, and the possibility for femur length of the femur bone is 15 centimeter. This is the information is given. In that region, this information is given. The woman's will be 195 centimeter of height, maximum height, and the minimum length of the femur bone is 15 centimeter.
So this is
information.
predicted data?
Not predicted data. This in that locality, this is happening. The maximum height of a woman in that village can be 195, or and the minimum length of femur bone of a woman in that village is 15 centimeter.
Okay.
This is one information. The another one is the police invested, and from home that somebody is reported that that missing woman height is 130 centimeter, and police found 35 centimeter length of a femur bone in the police investigation fund. So this information is different. This information is different. Using these two information, you have to choose which option is going to be the correct.
Okay.
So these two are for the missing woman, and these three options for the in that locality in which range the woman will lie. This will help. This option can be solved using this informator after the particular this information, and these two options can be solved using this information that femur bone is 35 centimeter and the woman of height is 130 centimeter tall. Got the idea?
Yeah, I got it. I'll give it a try.
Okay. Okay. Medhavi. Medhavi want to ask something.
Hi, sir.
Yeah,
So
hi.
in the graded assignment question number 10, can you please tell why is it not reflexive?
Oh, it is not reflexive. I just now told you. Okay, just in the week one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just now noted. So see why it is not reflexive. See, as in solution that S is the collection of all 525 points. Okay. If you take a
Yes,
see
sir.
what is the if you are defining a relation on this set, when you say a relation is reflexive, let's say I am saying yes is yes is equal to A B C, and I am making a relation like this A B and C C. Is that relation is reflexive?
No, sir. No, sir.
Why? Why?
We don't have B,
Because A
comma
and C
B.
are not related.
B is not here. The same case is there. When you are taking now, see the S is the collection of all ponds, polluted ponds. So suppose you are taking a pond which is A. So it can be polluted by, let's say, pesticide. Okay. So will that, if you are taking the pair of it, will that fall in the R? R is actually says you are taking pair if A and B are related. Let's say let's say B and C are related. When these two are related, when both are polluted by pharmaceutical product and fertilizer, only these two. But you took a pond which is polluted by pesticide only. So will that fall in the this R?
No,
No.
sir.
When you will make pair, so that's why it is not going to be reflexive.
Okay, sir. Sir, I also have doubt in week one activity question. Activity 1.9. Question number 3.
Okay. 0.9. This one.
Yes, sir.
What's the doubt here?
Sir, I got bijective function.
Oh. So how it is going to be bijective? How you are checking how you are sure that this is injective? How it is possible? Because
So
this
like
is an quadratic.
yes, sir. I tried some values and it was coming like that.
Okay, so your function is here fx is equal to x plus 4 in mod and 4x minus 10 in mod it is. So
yes, sir.
Suppose if you are substituting here minus 4. So how which values you substituted? Can you tell me?
So like
Okay.
if we substitute 0 also we'll be getting right.
If you substitute 0, then it will be 4 and into minus 10. This gives 40. And if you substitute, okay, the process is, see, if you are getting, if suppose you substituted here 1,
Yes, sir.
then it is 5 and it is 4 minus 10. It is going to be
30.
10 minus 5, right?
It is going to be minus 30.
Mm.
So see, let's see that 30 in how many ways. So mod of this is going to be 30. So
Yes.
how many ways you can get 30? See, if you have a function this in mod, so it could be what is that? If x is greater or equal to 0 and minus x when is x is less than 0. Okay. So
Yes,
in that
sir.
case, what is going to be happen? If we x plus 4, 4x minus 10, assume that this is 30. So what is going to be out if it is in mod?
Minus
So
30.
what is, so it is minus, assume that this is
So when we
if
say
you are
mod,
getting
it
here
is
minus 30.
When we say mod, is it just the opposite or the absolute?
Absolute.
Yeah.
Means without sign. So without sign means it will give always positive.
Right. Okay.
So if you are assuming this gives 30, so how, like, suppose this x plus, so assume that this is positive. The whole thing is positive. This is x plus 4, 4x minus 10 is equal to 30. Okay, this is positive. We assume that. So this is positive, means this is now, it is going to be this one. So this is 4x square, or maybe, okay, this is 4x square minus 10x plus 16x minus 40 is equal to 30. 4x square, this is plus 6x, and this is 70 is equal to 0. So you will get two values at least. When you solve this,
Yes, sir.
you will get two value when you get 30. So what it's still that for two different value you are getting 30. So how it can be in one?
Yes, sir.
Right? Because this
Yeah.
is quadratic, so how it could be?
Yes, sir.
So that's the process. You can tell that, okay, this is not going to be injective.
Okay, sir.
Still remain to minus of it.
Yes, sir.
Still remain to assuming to be minus of it. So it can be different also. We will get output as a 30. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, in one more question I have.
Which one? Let me
In
see.
question number 5, the first one, the first function.
This one.
Yes, sir. So how is it injective?
So how you are sure that this is not going to be injective? So how are you assuming that this is not injective?
So I got for more than one value, I got this.
So for more than one value of x, you got the same value, is that?
Yes, sir.
See, root over 10 minus x. So this is a function fx is equal to, because if there is no sign means you will assume plus here, always plus.
Yes, sir.
So okay, now this is going to be happen. So you want to check it injective. What is the process? See, when you will say two function is injective, if assume two output are the same and finally x1 is equal to x2, if you will get, then it is injective. For two, if suppose your output is different, so
Yes,
what is
sir.
going to be in that? See, this is the process. I think in video sir have told, now process, he told that if this is happening,
Yes, sir.
if outputs are same and finally when you do that, the input should be same. So same here, if you will try this, suppose two outputs are the same. 10 of minus x1 is equal to root over 10 of minus x2. Assume that there are two different outputs is here, f of x1 and f of x2. Square of both side, you will get 10 of 10 minus x1 is equal to 10 of minus x2. So 10 cancel out, minus can cancel out, x1 is equal to x2. So you are getting output, you are assuming different output, or assuming two outputs are the same, then you are getting two input are exactly the same. This tells this is going to be injective.
Yes, sir.
This is one method. And also root over 10 minus x is actually you are taking the root of 10 minus x. This is the number and taking the root of it. So you know that now you are in week 2. So if you assume y is equal to 10 minus x, it represent a line, some line it is representing like this, in this way.
Yes, sir.
Right? So each time you are getting unique output and you are taking the root of some point, means here. That means this is injective. This tells your function is injective. Like you substitute the value here for x, some value, always you will get right the different value.
Yes, sir.
Different value of x, different value of. Now we are taking the root of it. That means the root of also will be different, right? For two roots, roots are like gave the uniqueness of, right? If you are this number is a, root of it is different, root of b is different if a and b are different. The root of both is different, so that's why these numbers are different. So root of these numbers is different. That's why it is going to be injective. Otherwise, this process is also tells you how it is injective. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So
Mohad. Okay.
So in activity 1.11.
1.11 okay. This is for week 2. You are asking the question from week 1.
Yes, sir.
Which activity? Which question number?
So last two questions, how do we do that?
Okay. I'm just telling you the idea. Suppose you are suppose you have a function, a graph of a function like this. Okay,
Yes,
graph of function. So this point is given. What do you mean by this? This is A. Suppose this is B. So this line is the graph of this tells you this is the domain, and this is for codomain. This line is for codomain. This is for domain. Now,
yes,
if this point is given, so that means this is AB. This is your domain point, and this is your codomain point. Now you can compare, I think, for this question. Now the graph is given. This is your domain point, and this is your codomain point. This is your domain point. This is your codomain point. The left one is domain. The first one is domain point. The second one is your codomain point. Now you can see that domain range of the function shown in this one are mx and ny. So mx and ny given means till, see, your graph is only this till here to till here, and if you make a projection of it here and make a projection of it here, so the first one tells the domain, right? So your domain is -4 to here is 9, right? This is
yes,
happening,
sir.
no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
your codomain is, your function is here to here, means the first one is here and the last one is at most is here, means your
Yes.
codomain is, this portion is still codomain point, so your codomain is 1 to
1 to
bottom
9.
is 9.
9.
So now you
Yes,
can
sir.
compare and get the value.
Thank you, sir.
Mohad is something he wants to ask. Am I audible, Mohad? Mohad Ayat.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, hi. Sir, I have doubt in week
So
2
what's
week 2 tutorial 7, sir.
tutorial 7?
Yes, sir. The question.
Huh.
Sir, it is said in this question that the OP is rotated by 360 degree. So, sir, if we rotate any line segment by 360 degree, we get the same line segment. There will be no change.
You will get the same line segment.
But, sir, the sir teaching in tutorial will took reflection about x-axis, sir.
So what is happening here? See, this is your, suppose this is O, this is P. Now you are rotating this line to 360. What is happening? Like this and back to this one. So this line is here. Okay, but yeah, you are rotating. So suppose when you rotate it, it is happening like this. Till here you like see what is happening. You rotated here like this line. So at most, see,
Okay, sir.
did you watch this rotation video? It will
Yeah.
make clear to you what is happening rotation in rotation. Did you watch that rotation video? Is there something?
Which, sir?
There is in week 1 itself. Let
So
me
we are
tell
creating
you
a
that.
circle in that plane.
Not circle. There is a rotation video surface revolution. Surface revolution.
Surface
The name
revolution.
is.
No, sir, I didn't watch this.
Actually, in that video, you will able to see clearly what's happening.
Okay, sir.
Something is. Let me show you that. In tutorial is written. Week 3. In week 3 it is. Surface of revolution. In week 3 it is. I am just telling the idea, but there is it is not related to the week 2 because that is the only content of week 2. But yeah, this is happening.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have to watch this lecture first.
This is a small thing. What is happening here? You can tell the idea. See, this is the line and this is the revolution is happening, and the image of it is this one. This is the line and this is the
Yes, sir.
rotation.
Okay,
So, when you are rotating, it's making a cone kind of thing.
Yes, sir.
So when you are rotating, it is making a cone like this. So please watch. It will be automatically clear that.
Yes, sir. I
Once
will.
you watch this one.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anyone else have doubt? Oh, okay. Madhi have done. I don't know. Ramya. Ramya want to ask something.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hi. Ramya.
Week 2 activity question 4.
Week 2 activity.
Fourth one.
Which activity?
Fourth
Okay.
activity.
Question number?
Question number 1. So first of
Okay.
all,
Choose the
this
correct
area of a triangle.
Choose the statement. The given point form a triangle of this much area, this much area. Points do not form a triangle. So use the formula. That's all. You know the
Which
formula
formula,
area
sir?
for triangle?
Half base into height, right?
No, not necessary. If points are given, so use that formula 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3. This formula. Area of a triangle ABC is 1 by 2 mod of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. And you have already given the point 0, 10 and something is there, the rest. So assuming to be this is A, this is B, this is C, or maybe this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. And substitute the values, get the triangle, sorry, area of triangle.
Okay, but
if it is 0, then
in the lecture it is not using this formula. That's the reason I asked the question.
Oh. So if you don't want that,
No, it's not that I
then
want. Can we put any other formula and get solve the
it can
activity
be
question?
into height into base kind of thing. So how the process is, height is, suppose this is height and this is base. So suppose this is the triangle. Suppose this is A, this is A, this is B, this is C. So find the equation of this line and assume this is C point. You know the distance formula. You can find the distance using the distance formula. You can find the height of it and find the distance of these two lines. And now use the formula also. Will give the answer.
Yeah, in such a triangle it is possible, but in the triangle when you plot the points, it comes in a different skewed manner, and that's the reason doubt is there.
So no issue. Whatever the see, you
So we
can
just
give
use
the rough
any
idea.
other formula also, it's fine, right? Not necessary what is mentioned in the video.
Any other formula also will be fine. So see, the thing is, if you when you are forming it, triangle, it may be a different shape, Maybe a different shape, not danger, a different shape. But no issue, you can assume this is 110, this is point, this is point. Now you know the process. Find the equation of this line. No issue, no need to go with the exact figure. Find the equation of a line. Find the distance, this one, of a line and this one. And now find the distance between these 2 points and use the formula. Using this rough diagram is enough to solve that problem if you are using this formula. Otherwise, if you are using this formula, also can be done.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
So question number 2.
Question number 2 of the same activity, is that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the area of triangle formed by the midpoints of line segments where the coordinates are given respectively. So what is that area?
Yes, sir.
So what's the doubt here?
Sir, my answer is not coming.
Oh, but you know I think your calculation mistake you are doing.
I've done
That's all.
twice.
So is that for everyone who is present here getting the different answer, wrong answer? How many participants? 33. To all of you are getting different answer or not exact answer as here is the for this question is given.
No, sir, actually I
don't
got
think so.
the right answer.
So only the calculation mistake is making.
Okay,
I
sir.
know.
Sir, question number 9 in graded assignment week 1.
Okay. Sorry. This one, find the number of ponds polluted by all type of water contaminants.
Yes, sir.
So using this information, it's difficult to find that for you.
Sir, I haven't understood the question.
So use this question is needed this formula. A union B union C kind of. If it is if you are changing it to with this one, number of pesticides, pharmaceuticals. Sorry, this is the union. This is the union, and pharmaceutical fertilizers and pharmaceutical product. So this is NP plus pH, number of all these minus number of intersection of this one minus number of intersection of pH minus number of intersection of what is remain P and pH and plus union intersection of all three. P intersection of intersection pH. So this tells the number of ponds which are polluted by pesticide.
Pesticides.
This tells the number of ponds polluted by
fertilizers.
Fertilizers, and this is the pharmaceutical. This numbers tells. I'm missing the formula. Something is that union? Oh, okay. No, intersection. I think union of it. No, intersection. Here will be the formula intersection. Sorry, intersection. So this is the number of ponds which is polluted by pesticides and fertilizers. This is for the fertilizer and pharmaceuticals, and this is pesticides and pharmaceuticals. And each number is clearly here written. What is that? Through 230 pond is fertilizer, 240 is pesticides, 257 is pharmaceuticals, 100 is fertilizer and pesticide. Intersection is also given. 82 is fertilizer and pharmaceutical, and here is 77 is pesticide and pharmaceutical. So just need to be substitute the values, and question is asked for this portion only. And right side is the number of all ponds is given 525.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else have doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Question assignment 2.12.
2.12.
12.
Activity question.
Yeah.
Okay. Which question number?
Uh, question number 2. I mean, I have a doubt, like first option. Question number 2, first option.
Okay, distance between this point and the line is 2.
So I want to ask how to calculate this distance, like, I don't know.
Using the distance formula.
But
What is
I
distance formula?
but I have only points of one line and equation of others. So by the points of one line, how would I know the slope of that line
Okay.
and the other coordinates? Like,
No, so here is the distance of a line from a point is given, I think, in the video. What is the formula then? It is the formula is given.
So ax1 plus by1 plus c modulus divided by a square plus b square. That's the formula. So here x would be -2, a would be -3, y would be 1, and b would be +4, c would be 7. So yeah, that's the case.
If this is the equation, then x1 y1 is the point. So mod of ax1 something is there, by1, is that you are saying, plus c? No, what is that formula?
Yes, sir. D is equal to ax1 plus by axi. It was axi actually. So the given
ax1, okay, axi plus
by plus c under mod divided by root over of a square plus b square is equals to the distance from the. No, sir, that's the mod actually. The root is only the denominator.
Sorry. This is the root of this
Yeah.
one is that. This is the formula. From a point to a line. In this video itself,
okay, so I've got it.
This is the formula. This one is ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root over a square plus b square.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Anyone else have doubt? Or we can close the session now.
Sir, one I have that is graded assignment week 1. Right. I had one correct answer, but another one I suppose is correct, but it is wrong. So that is third number. So can you please explain that? R4. Graded 1 assignment, third question, R4 mostly.
This one.
Yeah.
So asking for the 1-1 function.
Yes, 1-1 function.
So 1-1 y is equal to x square. If you assume that this y as a fx, so fx is equal to x square is 1-1. Y is equal to x square, it is given. So that relation is given. So assuming that okay, this is now it is in a function kind of. So is this a 1-1 function? For -1, what is going to be y? If x is equal to -1, then it is going to be y is equal to 1. If you assume x is equal to 1, still y is equal to 1. So what is that? For two different input, you are getting the same output. So how it would be 1-1? What is happening? Your -1 is here.
I'm getting two different output. That's what it will not be a 1-1, right? I should get one output only.
It should be two different. If two different inputs there, so output also different.
Okay.
But you are two different input, but you are getting the same output. What is happening here? If two different input, you are but getting the case this one. But it should happen if it is different, then this should different.
I should get two different output then.
Different output. In
Sir,
that case, your function is 1-1. Yeah.
Sir, here the Cartesian product we are taking R cross R, where x and y both belongs to R. So what if we just make it a natural number, Cartesian product, like they both belongs to n? So in that case, this existing parabolic function would be 1-1, right? Like we are taking only 0, 1, 2, 3.
In that, yeah.
In that case, it
yeah,
will be
in
1-1.
that case.
Okay.
it is going to be 1, 1. If it is on the natural number.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, actually the reason is not only natural number, the reason is this is a parabola. So this side you are considering with the natural number. So in that case, this side is actually 1, 1.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But the answer is wrong.
No, but our question is on the real line, no? This question is on real lines. That's why it is not 1, 1.
Okay.
He just gave an example on the natural number. In natural number case, it is going to be 1, 1.
All right.
Anyone else have doubt?
So,
Yeah,
tomorrow is there any session? I mean, I heard tomorrow is Sunday.
Tomorrow is in 1 office hour.
1 office hour is there, right? Okay.
Tomorrow is 2 to 4, 1 office hour. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, Pius will take.
Sir, just one doubt, sir. In practice assignment week 2, question number 13, I just calculated the answer, but still, sir, I have a little bit tough doubt, like if I have done that right or not.
So
the answer is like answer actually matched, but still I'm confused. Like, what is the actual process to calculate that? Because
13.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this one, sir.
Okay. Did you watch the solution of it?
So there is no solution of it. They didn't give us
Correct.
the practice assignment solution yet.
No, it is solution is given, no?
I didn't get it, sir. Like in the portal, there is no practice assignment solution like we got in week 1.
No, it is on now.
Oh, in the supplementary oh, okay, thank you, sir. I didn't see that.
So you can see there. Week
Okay.
3 practice lesson also there.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I'll just go through it.
Yeah.
I just have one more question. The formula that you showed, the first formula that you showed for the triangle, area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3. Now, which lecture is this formula available? Because I looked through the lectures and I've noted down the formulas, but I don't see this here in any of the lectures here.
No, it is in the lecture itself. I also sent, but the exact it is in the lecture. If it is not in lecture, it is in the tutorial. Yeah, I have just gone through. Yeah, it is in one tutorial itself.
Okay.
Yeah, it is one of the tutorial. I have also seen that. Just see that it is one of the tutorial I have, or in one lecture also, sir have mentioned that height to base, or not. It is sure. I am sure that it is in one of the tutorial.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Anyone else have doubt? Or we can now close the session. No one is okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for joining. Have a nice day. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind explanation.
Yeah, thank you.